Hi learners, and this is YellowLearn. In case you're just coming across us for the first time, you don't know what YellowLearn is and you don't know who I am. My name is Favor Adejumo and I am the lead training facilitator at YellowLearn. What is YellowLearn about? At YellowLearn, we are dedicated to simplifying complicated bag making processes into step-by-step, easy to follow tutorials that allow fashion enthusiasts of different expertise to be able to replicate designs and also to create designs on their own. It could be that you're a newbie, a beginner, or even an amateur that is looking to improve on your bag making skills. If you are looking to learn how to make bags, ranging from shoulder bags to bucket bags, tote bags, handbags, backpack, or even laptop bags, you are at the right place. We are going to be simplifying these complicated processes that goes into bag making into simple, easy to follow step-by-step tutorials for you. Once again, you're welcome, and I am so happy to be here to serve you better. I wish you a nice training experience with YellowLearn. Would implore you to also subscribe by clicking on the subscribe button so that anytime we have a new tutorial on the platform, you will be one of the first persons to catch up with the tutorial. So, catch ya!